Hello everybody, how are we all? This one's going to be really quick. I'm doing a Scottish pie. I only got my teeth in, look. I'm going to put them in a minute while this is in. I've never had a Scottish pie before. I got them from the marketplace, as you've seen on yesterday's video. £3 each. I was looking online at what the ingredients is. I think the original, so I could understand, was mutton. I've got mutton in the freezer, so I think maybe one day next week or something I might make my own. But I'm not sure what's in these, don't know what the ingredients is or anything like that. But they're only small. But we're going to have a look anyway. There they are, look. They're only tiny things. And because they're tiny, and I've also got some Cornish pasties, beef and ale pasties. So I'm going to do one of them as well, because I'm not going to do that as a separate video. So I'm going to get one of them out. And there's the pasty, look, it looks absolutely delicious. I do love a pasty, mate. And with them, we're going to have, which I've already prepared, just some cheese and potato pie. Just some mashed potato with cheese in and then on the top. I haven't done that because I've showed you them before on the channel. That's all, guys. So it's nice and simple, this one. I don't know if I'm going to upload it, to be honest with you, because there ain't really a lot to show. So I'm just going to get them in the oven until they're cooked with a mashed potato, and then we'll see what they're like. You'll be pleased to know I got my teeth in. I always forget to put them in. Talking about my teeth, when I went to town the other day, I seen a fellow YouTuber, foodie. Well, no, he said he's not a foodie actually. His channel is Fish and Chip Diaries. He goes around the country doing fish and chips. He doesn't talk. He just goes with his camera. He goes to the pub and has a beer and films his fish and chips. And he just does like a vlog, but without talking, with music over and all that sort of stuff. I'll leave a link to his channel. If anyone's interested, I said I'd give him a little shout out. He's just hit 1,000 subscribers, so fair play to him. And he's been alright. I think he said he's from Leicestershire or Leicester. And he's been to places like Cornwall and that, so he goes all over the place. So if you're interested in something like that, guys, I'll leave a link to his channel. And this is what I've done. I've just done a bit of broccoli there, broccoli stems, and I'm going to have some peas, some minted peas, mushed, homemade, if you get what I mean. Just a bit of vegetable stock in there, and we'll use it after for a bit of gravy. You get me? So there's my peas. So we're going to get these on. There's about 10 minutes left in the old pies. I'm going to put a little bit of butter into my peas. I'm going to put just a little drop of water at the bottom of the pan, that's all. There we go. And we'll get that melted, guys, and we'll just get all that cooked up. I say it's only one of them videos, there ain't really a lot to show. I'm just trying to waste a bit of time, if you get what I mean. But, hey up. Right, guys, I'm just going to empty my old peas out, strain them, I mean. Nice and simple. Do your old minted peas the easy way or the hard way. And I'm doing it the easy way. Bit of mint sauce, nice and simple. About a teaspoon, depending on how minty you want it. I do this quite often, to be honest with you. Get out of the mix. And just give me a little mash with your masher. Just to mash them up. And we are about ready to dish up, guys. And I just make me gravy while I'm dishing up. Dinner! Dinner time, babe.
Okay.
Get your coffee on the go.
Oh, I've got time.
Yeah, you got time. Get your coffee. Right, guys, let's get to the good old broccoli first. I've done 4 for that, so I might have 1. I do like these broccoli stems. Just to get the green bits on the plate. I'll give myself some mushy peas. Minted mushy peas, shall I say. And mine. and we'll get the pies out. Okay guys, here are my pies and my pasties. They're looking absolutely delicious. Pasties well crunchy. There's the pies. They're not very big though, are they? That wouldn't fill me up one of them. There's my cheesy mash, or whatever you want to call it. Get out the light so you can see. Gravy's done. So, let's dish up the pie for Nat. A pie for me. I'm going to put that next to it as well because I want to taste that. So we can have both of them, can't we? Some mashed potato, well, cheesy mash on the side of your plate. Sweet potato one also, guys, obviously. Loads here. And that's going to be boiling hot. And there we go. And we'll get a little bit of gravy on for mine. And then that'll probably have a load of gravy for us. I'll just put a bit on because I want to taste the pie. And there we go. Now I think that don't half look bad. Right, let's have a crack. Nat's just said it smells lovely.
That smells really nice, that does.
The pastry looks lovely. That one of them wouldn't fill me up though. No way.
Wouldn't fill you up.
Wouldn't fill me up, would it? With a good old fat belly.
Should I cut it open first so you can see inside?
Yeah. I was going to do mine, but because you like gravy on yours.
You got gravy on yours though.
Go on then, if you want to do that.
I don't mind cutting it.
Pastry sounds nice.
Oh, look at that. That looks nice.
Is that lamb or mint?
I'm not sure. Smells lovely.
Smells nice.
Looks lovely as well. I can't wait to tuck it.
Tuck it and get your gravy on, babe.
Just 10 minutes before I pour the gravy on.
She has loads of gravy on that, don't you? I don't blame you.
With loads of gravy.
Now I'm trying guys, we've got 2 cameras. I haven't got my mics on because we found out that the mics are
we're having a few problems, isn't we?
bouncing off each other, aren't they? So we've got 2 cameras and we're hoping we can get both audios the same. But we're going to find out and see what happens on this.
Just going to put a bit of this on, not too much.
Bit of mint sauce.
Just a little bit.
Well, I'm going to crack on with this pie first then. Before my dinner gets cold. I reckon you're going to love this pastry.
Yeah, it looks and smells.
It's the sort of pastry you like, I think.
It's delicious.
You're a pastry expert, ain't you, Bab?
It's tasting it, yeah. That's about it.
Oh. Hot.
Hot. Have some of my cheesy mash.
Oh, that's nice.
That's hot.
Hot, isn't it?
That mash was,
I
yeah. I took a big mouthful. Oh.
That's nice. It's nice peppery. I thought. I say I'm probably. I don't know anything about Scottish pies, but I thought it was like a meaty, like chunks. I don't know. I'm not sure. You'll have to let me know, guys. I don't know. First time I've ever tried one.
The first time I ever tried a Scottish pie, I thought Scottish pies had potato in it as well.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. I don't know.
I haven't got a clue. But it's lovely.
You're right, that's got a really nice flavour
It's
to
got a
it.
lovely flavour, isn't it?
I can't describe that flavour.
But would I pay £3 for it for a little one like that?
Maybe you could make one for make one.
Well, I
bit
said that we
cheaper.
got some mutton because the originals are made of mutton. We got
That's
some
a
mutton
good
in the
idea.
freezer. And we could make one, couldn't
Yeah,
we,
we
next
could
week?
make one, yeah.
We'll have to get a
Good
recipe
idea.
and try and make it.
I'm trying to put my finger on that flavour.
It's got a bit of everything in there. It's got pepper. It's got.
I do like that. I'm glad you bought one of them. They're really nice.
Massy lovely. Cheesy mash. Let's try the good old pasty. I cut this down the middle so you can have a look.
Pasty on this.
What was it? I think this was beef and ale, I think they said. If I can remember.
I like that.
It's nice, isn't it? It is nice.
Really nice. I like the pastry as well. It's really nice and snappy.
That's full. Ugh. Full to the brim. I'm going to have to look online at what the recipe is for a proper Scotch pie. I did look and on Google and it says, it did say mutton. But I'll have to see if I can get a proper recipe. Because if it is mutton, we got some. And I'm going to make it. But I don't know if it's supposed to be chunks or like mince. You know what I mean? I'm not sure. Oh, that Scottish pot, that's... Oh, that passed. That passed. I bought 3 of these pasties.
You love your pasties, don't
Yeah. So I thought I'm going to do one today. I'm going to have the other 2 tomorrow with a footy.
you? Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Because I love a pasty, me.
You do love your pasties.
The pepper, the onions, the carrots in that. That's delicious. I made one, didn't I? I was no good with the pastry.
But it was nice.
But it was nice.
Oh, it
But
was delicious.
that's really nice as well. I can't remember what they was either. 3 or 4 quid I think they were. And pay for what you get, don't you? Bit gourmetish.
I'm not being funny, that market took us a bit surprised, didn't it? We weren't expecting it to be there.
Oh, wasn't it?
So we wasn't prepared.
No, I didn't take any cameras or anything.
No,
so
we
I just took
quickly
it off
did one
yours.
on mine. And that wasn't really like how you do
If
it.
I knew it was there, I'd have went prepared with asking
Yeah.
questions, but we just walked past, didn't we? I thought, oh, I'll grab some of them.
They did look, yeah. It does really nice, actually.
I must admit, I've tried all them now, and the ones on yesterday's video, and they're all delicious, aren't they?
They're really nice.
Really nice.
Love
It's
the
more of
pastry.
a, I think it's more of a gourmet thing, more of a
You pay for what you get, though.
a high-end
Yeah,
thing.
because you pay for what you get. And they've all been full to the brim.
And they've all been full to the brim.
And they've all tasted delicious.
But I'm definitely going to make my own Scotch pie. I know someone asked me before. I'm going to have to look into it. Especially the pastry. I'm not sure about the pastry. I just couldn't move with pastry, guys. Oh, God. We'll have to do that one together, Babby. You can do the pastry and I'll do the meat.
No, thank you.
So, guys, there we go.
Delicious
It's
dinner.
really nice, isn't it?
I'm enjoying that.
That's nice. That's lamb, that is. It's not beef.
I was thinking, is it lamb?
It's lamb. It's a lovely pepper taste to that as well. Isn't it? So guys, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. Time is it now? Yeah, I'll get this up tonight. There'll be no video tomorrow. We've got the workman out again. I have got some in the freezer that I was given. So I might do it's a frozen thing. I might do that as a 10-minute video before it comes out tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I might do. I don't know yet, we'll see. And I'm also going to put a poll up. I'm going live next Wednesday, I think. So I want you to know whether you want an Indian or a Chinese to cook, to make on our own on the live stream next Wednesday. Fully, all ourselves, no jar stuff, just make it. That's what I'm going to do. I think it's probably more likely to be next Wednesday. Even if it'll be next week anyway. I'm going to put a poll up, guys. Go and have a vote on that and see what you want. And until the next time, give us a like, give us a subscribe. So this one's all over the place as well. It's just one of them. Bye-bye. And I'm thinking them are delicious. And when he's there again, Mulberry Bakehouse, I'm going to buy some more.
Definitely.
Definitely. He's got quiches and all that as well.
He did, didn't he?
Black pudding sausage rolls and all that stuff. So I'm going to buy some. I'm just going to freeze them, I think.
Yeah.
For when I want one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.